So you know what? 2024 is coming to an end, and I thought to myself, you know what, Caleb? We need to wrap up this year in a big way. Listen, this year had a lot of challenges, a lot of struggles, and new and exciting experiences all at the same time. I was like, you know what? It's been a year. Treat yourself, buy something, and wrap up this 2024 season on a high note. So I have not one, but two unboxings from my favorite retailers. What better way to end 2024 with a little Ralph Lauren and a little Hermès? So let's dive in. And I think you guys are going to love what I have to show you today because these pieces are phenomenal. All right, before I whack myself in the face again, hey guys, my name's Caleb. I post luxury and lifestyle related content 3 times a week. You can also check out more over on my blog and website, curated by caleb.com. Consider hitting the subscribe button down below, joining the membership. That'll give you extra perks, access, the members meetup, the discount for the website. It is an amazing membership. We have a great community. I'm so thankful for all of them. Let's do this. Let's wrap up 2024. Let me know down in the comments before we get started. What was your top purchase of the year? So for me, I added a lot of gorgeous and beautiful bags to my collection, which I will cover in another later video. But to highlight, I have my new Ralph Lauren Ricky over here, my Hermès Lindy over here, and today is another new bag. But before we get into the new bag, what did I get at Hermès? Now, with this, I was online shopping. I think I was we were sitting around bored after Thanksgiving. I'm like, you know what? I'm just gonna go shopping. And I did. Now, for my Birkin, I picked up the Grand Apparat scarf at the members meetup way back in October, right before my birthday. I've already unboxed that for you, but if you missed it, link will be down in the description because I also think I unboxed a gorgeous bag that I bought for myself around that time as well. And they only had one in stock. So I'm like, you know what? If I miss out on this, I'm literally going to kick myself for years to come. Now, this was the last colorway of this silk design that they had on the website, and it just so happened to be the duplicate for what I had already picked up. This is the Grand Apparat scarf. This is done in the color anthracite, Bordeaux, and Or. Now, with this one, this is going to be the perfect addition to my Hermès Birkin. I now have one for the front handles, one for the back handles, and I just love how this one kind of steps it up a little bit in design. Now, of course, my Birkin is already very formal in its own right. It is in the beautiful Vert Foncé colorway, box leather, palladium hardware, size 35. So he's already, big shishi, very regal, very, very special. But adding these twillies, this is going to take it to that next level. And being that it's a box leather, I won't have to worry as much about handle damage and wear when I have my new twillies on there. So with these, I'll show you guys how I'm going to tie them on here in just a little bit. I think that these are just absolutely stunning. They're a fun way to kind of dress up the bag, change its personality. I also got the in the pocket twilly as well, which was unboxed, I think, in the same video. And in that one, I have it in a gorgeous, soft gray, pastel-y green colorway, which, this makes it a much more formal and more regal. The in the pocket scarf just makes it kind of fun and whimsical. It's kind of fun with Hermès bags, how you can switch up their look, design, and feel with a little twilly, a scarf, a charm. I don't know, they're just fun bags to collect, and I've said it before, but I am really getting into silks, so it's nice to have another good twilly in my collection. Now it's time for the main star of this attraction. And listen, I do not have a good history with live unboxings here on this channel. Anytime I don't peek at the bag before I unbox it, it does not go well. It gets returned. So in the event that this gets returned, there's another very special bag that I shared over on my community page with you guys yesterday. I ordered this Tuesday, and then yesterday, one of the bags that I've been looking for literally a decade popped up over on the rail. I'm like, oh my god, but I just bought this, so I couldn't justify two. I am not that kind of bag collector. I like to take them in slowly, curated, perfectly. So keep your fingers crossed because this bag was absolutely fabulous online. And I cannot wait to get into this. Oh my god. Okay, so let's slip off this ribbon. Now, for those of you that aren't familiar with Ralph Lauren, not words I ever thought I'd have to say, Ralph Lauren is incredibly luxurious. It is a beautiful brand, beautiful history. Go and check it out. I have a ton of videos on Ralph Lauren with both my Rickies, different hauls. My turtleneck today is Ralph Lauren. I live and die by this brand. I absolutely love it. So when I saw this one on their Cyber Monday sale, it was a no-brainer. I was sold. God, I'm so nervous. So here we are. We just have this tissue paper, the gold Ralph Lauren sticker. It smells good. Hopefully that's a good sign. Oh my god. Okay. So here we are. We have this beautiful little pillow up here at the top, very a la Hermès. And then it's a polo bag. This is from their Polo Diffusion line. Now, when it comes to Ralph Lauren, there's a hierarchy of brands. First of all, you start at the top of the pinnacle pyramid with like the purple label / Ralph Lauren collection. That's where my Rickies come from. The next level down, then you'll kind of get into the double RL, which is like his ranch. That's his like Western workwear aesthetic. It's very gorgeous, but also very expensive. Then you hit Polo, which there's a ton of levels within Polo in and of itself. You have the Polo, which is what this is from, like the more boutique Polo. Then you have like the more department store Polo, which is gonna be like your Macy's, your Dillard's, your, I don't know, other department stores. And then below that you have Lauren, and then you get into Chaps, which is fascinating in and of itself. I don't think the brand actually owns Ralph Lauren Chaps anymore, but the name's been sublet somewhere. Very, very interesting hierarchy of houses within the Ralph Lauren label, but that's enough boredom. Let's get into this, because this bag, you guys, is literally iconic. I am so nervous, you guys. I have not seen this bag IRL yet, but from what I can tell, this dust bag is phenomenal. I mean, he does everything so well, let's be serious. Okay, they have it in here backwards, that's okay. So I was able to get my hands on, during the Cyber Monday sale, the Bellport bucket bag, but not just any Bellport bucket bag. No, no, no. I don't do anything small, ever. I mean, whoever has known me to do something smaller halfway. Not something I'm familiar with. So I picked up the Bellport bucket bag with fringe. And oh my gosh, this is amazing. Okay, shoot, I was kind of hoping I could get the Very Rare Burberry bag, which is still on my community page. I'm gonna kick myself, but this is too good not to keep. So this, like I said, this is the Bellport bucket bag. The color is cashmere. I would link it for you down below. But as soon as I bought mine, checked out, someone else on Instagram asked, because I share this in my stories, by the way. They're like, oh my God, that is gorgeous. Where is it from? I sent them the link and I'm like, oh God, it just sold out. Like within 20 minutes of me ordering mine. Did I get the last one? Maybe. Sorry about it. Okay, let me get rid of some of this packaging and we'll really dive in because, oh, this is phenomenal. Dang it. I'm in love. Okay. I have to be serious here. We're filming a video. This is business, you guys. We need to get down to business. So with this, I am already in love. Smells amazing, looks amazing. This fringe is absolutely insane. I will be going to the Container Store this weekend to be getting a purse stand for this just so I can store it properly. And I love how here on the front, it's just blind stamped Polo by Ralph Lauren. You have a slip pocket here on the front lined in sumptuous suede. And I love how they did this kind of like almost broguing detail with the cutout here on the sides. We have the French here on the front. The strap, it is layered, so you have like the main body of the strap and like a little bit of a pad underneath. You have these buckles on the side, which you can adjust the shoulder strap drop, which I might go a little bit longer just so it's a little bit more out of my armpit, but I mean, not bad. Totally a vibe. I love the quality and attention to detail, the craftsmanship, this color, oh my gosh. Now the top is closed by a little concealed magnet, and then it opens up to a gorgeous suede lining. This will give you 2 slip pockets on the interior. I don't think you could slide your phone in there and that would fit. It just kind of rests in the holster back there in the back, the phone holster, if you will. Then aside from the little phone holster there in the back, you have another fully enclosed pocket. Polo by Ralph Lauren stamped in there as well. Here we have the price tag. Now, let me tell you guys what I didn't pay. So this bag was originally marked at $7.98. They had it marked down to like $4 something with an additional 40% off, which made it like $267 or $287 before tax. So I think all in with tax, and of course I paid for the gift box because why not? Hashtag treat yourself. I think I paid $328 for this stunning bag. Now, if you guys want me to do a full review, I can. Oh my gosh. I just realized, oh, that's so cute. Okay, this bag is insane. On the bottom, it has those leather feet that very similar to what he does on like the Ralph Lauren Ricky, but then on one of the feet, it's stamped Polo down there. Guys, this bag, I wish I had had this for fall. How perfect is this bag for fall? But I have an outfit in mind. I have a vision, if you will, that's going to be perfect for when we head out to Montana to the ranch. And I don't have a ranch in Montana. Hashtag manifesting. We're all about manifestation around here, right? I have the perfect outfit for this lined up, and oh my God, it's so good. Okay, I'm low-key disappointed. I was kind of hoping I could return it and buy the other bag, but this, I would be kicking myself. The other bag will pop up again. Knock on wood, I hope. I haven't seen it in a few years, but it'll pop up again. This one, though, this I would never be able to get. And then with fringe, if it's not stored right, would be absolutely ruined. I'm going to be messing with this all afternoon. Guys, this bag is stunning. I can do a full review on the Bellport bucket bag because essentially that's what this is. It's just a little bit more special with the extra fringe down here at the bottom. So if you're interested in that, let me know what questions you have down in the comments. That way I can kind of cover everything in my review. I'll do some mod shots as well. Gosh, you know what? I'm fairly new. I've always worn Ralph Lauren, but I'm fairly new to like the accessories, if you will, the handbags. And I've been blown away by my two Rickies. And then this one, I mean, this is icing on the cake. I'm still going to buy more Ralph Lauren bags. Like, who are we kidding? If he had stamped this Ralph Lauren collection, I could see people paying a couple $1,000 for it. And I got it for only $328. Okay, that is it for today. This bag is just beyond stunning. I could not be happier. I love it. Okay, guys, thank you for joining me today. I hope you're all having a wonderful holidays. I will be dropping my holiday gift guide very soon, which I'm super excited about. And if you haven't yet, go and check out caleb.snell.designer. I'm going to be dropping a couple more blogs this weekend, which I'm super excited about. Maybe I'll have an outing with this gorgeous beauty, and I'll tell you more about it in the blog. And also check out caleb.snell.designer, the store. There's some fabulous stuff in there right now, and I'll be doing a drop here in about a week or so, so mark your calendars. You don't want to miss it. I've got some incredibly rare and very interesting pieces coming for that. Me and my new Bellport bucket bag in the color cashmere are going to go to the cafe or something. I don't know what I'm going to do with this. I'll probably just put it back in the box and wear it over the weekend. But anyway, guys, thank you for joining me today, and until next time, stay safe, have fun. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.